Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Today is episode number 2 of the FTMO series, and this one is going to be a little bit more interesting. You know, the last episode went down very nicely. We gained around 4% on the account. Very good episode. You know, it's got a lot of views on the channel already. Over 8,300 in the first 4 days. That video is going insane. But this week, you know, it's been good. However, I've made a few mistakes on the account. Haven't blown it, don't worry. I'm going to go into all the detail. Before we do start, be sure to like and subscribe if you do enjoy this content. And there is a link down below to the trades I send to the group if you want to join that, link in the description. But yeah, if I actually talk you through what happened now. So the start of the last episode, we obviously had that 1% loss, and then we went into around 4% profit. We had a £3,600 winner, which made us in profit around £2,800. And you know, since then we've taken a few trades, and I'm going to go through what happened on those trades. You can see this trade we were in today, well last night. I can go through that later in the video. However, what you see here, most people will see this as a ranging market. You know, that's technically what we're doing. We're just ranging between this area and this area. But I did actually manage to catch buy positions. I did actually originally, not on my FTMO account, but on my other account, enter them here, buy positions looking for the upside. But yeah, we did actually get a nice push up here. However, we waited for the pull back here, and this is where we originally entered our buy positions. I quickly look at where we entered. So we got an entry at 77 and 74. So if we look at our 74 entry, 74, where are our stop losses? So our stop losses, I think they were probably around this area down here, or even at 1870, below this wick here. So very nice level. Obviously, if we create this break below these levels here, then we could see price, as you see what happened here, would have stopped us out. Actually wouldn't have stopped us out, but yeah. And where were we targeting? I actually calculated it that we had to go to, I think, 1890 to pass the FTMO on this trade. So let me just adjust this to, there we go. So what happened was, we entered the trade. I also got another entry at 77, so around this area here, with the same thing there. So from these two winners combined, FTMO, you know, if it hit 1890, easy pass. But where did price come to? 1889.25. I think on the FTMO, when I calculated it, we did actually need 4 more pips to actually pass the FTMO. We're up around 4 grand. We needed £4,200. We had a 4.2 lot, so we needed around, like, you know, 4 or 5 pips ish to actually, you know, pass the FTMO. So what was I doing? Stupidly, I just held the trade and didn't realise that, you know, we had this area here, which is where price reversed at. So, you know, this area, this is where price reversed. So, you know, it is a shame, but however, if we actually look at that on here, we have this one, our 77 entry, so our second entry hit break even, and I closed this one for £200. So, you know, it's not ideal, but, you know, profit is profit at the end of the day. As long as we're winning trades, we're not losing overall, then it's fine. However, this should have been £4,000. So, you know, it's not the best, but I will put in some clips now of what actually because I was filming the process of the live trading. So I'll put the clips in now so you can see what I was doing from the start of the trade to the end of the trade. Okay guys, so it's the next episode and we are in trades. So I am quickly going to show you that. I quickly pulled the camera out just to show you what's actually going on, because yeah, we are in some trades and I want to keep you updated with the live trading series. If I quickly clear this off my charts. you can see, I've flipped the camera. We are in profit on gold. As you see here, we've got the entries, buy there, buy there. Nice £780 profit. If we look this week, see we're up 2.8k, and there we go. So here it's the charts. I had an entry around here as well, an entry down here as well. So we're still in that, holding that out to, this is our first target, which is just an imbalance fill on a higher time frame. And yeah, hopefully we can maybe pass the challenge with this one trade. If this does go a lot higher, we will actually pass. But yeah, I'll keep you updated. We also have the new setup. There you go, got the new beast of a PC. As you can see, you can't really see, but yeah, spent a nice few £1,000s on that PC, so you know. It's windy outside, but yeah, we're now at £900 profit. Just about to tap into £1,000. I see, there we go. We're now up £1,000 in profit. Lovely, lovely times. See on my other account, we're up nice £250 profit. Caught those buys, and yeah, let's see if we can maybe get. I think we need £4,200 profit to pass, and we got 4.2 lots. So let's see how it goes. Keep you updated with this one. Okay guys, so gold is going absolutely mental. I'll quickly show you. So we bought in here and here. Look at that. We're up around 2,700. So as you can see, another 4% profit. So you see this week, we're up 4%. The FTMO, as you can see, and we're up just under 4% on this now. Look at that. On my other account, you can see live, I'm up around 700. On this smaller account, as you see, you got the same entries down here. So we're probably going to close these out at around 1,000, 1,500 maybe. Live on real accounts and FTMO, as you see, absolutely skyrocketing into profit. We're going to hit 3k, and we're going to hit 3k. We're going to hit 4,200 in a minute, and we're going to pass. I'll keep you updated with this. I'll go over the analysis a bit later, but yeah, let's keep this going. Okay, so now you've seen those clips, what we can now go through is, see these GA trades and these GU trades, I just closed them out at break even. I went in them, I probably shouldn't have entered them, but you know, we closed them out at pretty much break even, you know, around 100, £150, something like that. And then today, we did actually have some nice gold sales. If you look here actually, we also had this level up here, it's been tested multiple times. If we use this tool, so you see this level, and then when we had this little wick into this level, that's when we got our entry. I do go over this more in my course, like these sort of entry things, but yeah, I won't go into that on YouTube. However, you know, we were looking for further downside. We're looking for this area here, 1845, to be hit. You know, we have these imbalances. We have this imbalance hit. We have all these imbalances hit. You know, we have this big imbalance at this area as well. So you know, we have all these areas where price can actually look to go and where we can look to target. So we were actually looking for 1845. You know, the trade's still active, but I actually closed on the FTMO for around, as you see here, I think £945. So around like 1.2, 1.3% profit. And yeah, it's just nice gains. I closed it around, I think it's around 4 a.m. so around this time here, these wicks. So I did miss this move here because obviously it was asleep. It's 2 a.m, 2 a.m, and then price did actually reverse back up, but it did actually hit my TP2, and you're probably wondering why you were targeting that area. So we have this order block here, and also this is an imbalanced area. So then where did price come into? Boom, reverse. So it's obviously a key area, and that's why our TP2 was actually in this area here, which is we made around 2% on the trade, but because I closed a little bit early on mine, we didn't actually get the full 2%. We could have set our take profit for 2% here, but you can't always predict what's going to happen. But yeah, also now this would have been another nice re-entry, but we didn't actually get in here. Would have been a perfect re-entry. As you see now, if anyone held the trade, they're up in profit. Lovely, lovely times. But what I'm actually looking for now, I was trading GA as well, and I sent in the group that price was going to fill this imbalance here, 50%, boom, boom, 50% filled. And then what do we have? We had the drop. And then what happened? You see this imbalance here. If we actually draw this across to make it easy for you to see, so this imbalance here. Let's delete this, delete this. So where did price come down? Came down, broke these lows, filled this imbalance here. If we look across, there we go. Where did price come back to test before dropping? This imbalance here, this imbalance area. And also we have this sort of order block area here as well. So yeah, that's where GA is at. We could look for further. So we could look for further positions down, but we're not looking on this as much because we focus mostly on gold. So we're looking mostly on gold. But if we actually look on the account, if I go on my FX book, and I actually show you this, I think it's this one here. There we go. So up 5.83%. So as you see, 0.4%, 4.3, 5.83%. You see we're up 4 grand on this. We got 75% win rate. We've won 9 out of 12 trades. That is perfect. As you see, 3 losers at the start, small loss, and less than 1% loss. Then after that, it's just been all winners. Winners, winners, winners. As you see, we've got the big win here, and we would have had another 4k here, but you can't predict what's going to happen in the markets. Price could have gone up those extra 5 pips and we could have closed in good profit. But yeah, I also was trading these exact same trades on my own account, and we've actually managed to make a nice bit of profit. If I actually show you this here, I'll just get up the account. So as you see on this account, I'm pretty sure you can see that if it's focused. Okay, there we go. As you see, £1,000 profit. We had a £23 loss and all the rest are wins. Live account, and there is the profit, and there we go, live account, and the profit there, because people always call everything fake. So there you go, for all you haters out there that call everything I do fake. There is the proof for you. And obviously you can't fake my FX book verified results. And also if we go on FTMO here, if we scroll up to the top, if I refresh, as you can see, it's the exact same. We're in profit, £4,000. So at 5.83%, we only need 4.2%, just under 4.2% to actually pass. As you see, we've only got 4 days trading as well. So we've got until the 15th of June for this series. So we're absolutely loving life right now. We've got the nice 4k buffer. So even if we take 5 losses now, we'll still be in profit on the account. So that's why I like to take profits on FTMO accounts. Because if you're just holding to the final TP, that might not ever get hit. And then say it reverses to stop loss, you have nothing to show for it. You have a loss, maybe a break-even trade. That's why I take profits. That's what I should have done anyway on that 4k trade, but that's why I took profits yesterday. Just secure the profit, It's not real money. We have 30 days or whatever it is to make 10%. I'm going to take 1.5%, 2% if I'm in profit, because then I only need to do that 4 or 5 times. Then I'm loving life. So yeah, that is all for today's video. If you did enjoy, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.